anyways, it's currently 68 degrees and my legs are sore from lifting yesterday. Of course, it's like right where the seat hits on the inside of your leg there. This guy's definitely going fast. Oh my goodness. He's in a hurry? That guy was annoyed with me. That was funny, and he started to go and he didn't have a green light and I did. I don't know why that's so funny, because his look on his face was so annoyed. He was like in a hurry or something, I don't know. Okay, I'm done. What are you doing?
I just got done rollerblading.
How'd that go?
Good. I need a new brake on my thing.
I need a new brake on my thing.
It got down to the screw, so now it's making it scraping.
This is the transition. It's hot, but it won't be when I drive because it's cold out. You can't put your helmet on after you have your gloves on. It just doesn't work. I'm sweating. I'm agitated. Trying to get kids' iPhones updated and iPads and apps installed, and I'm late for work and they need help and I can't help them, and dad life. Now they're gonna come running out here when they hear my motorcycle start. I love you too. And I love you 3.
What is that for double blinkers?
It's for my brights.
Why is it? What does that do?
So you can like flash people so they see you coming, or you can tell them to go, or...
Okay. Love you.
Love you too. Okay. Oh, buddy. My legs were sore yesterday. They're more sore today because I lifted calves and stuff, and now I'm gonna get even more sore, and but I'm gonna be strong so I can hold up this big bike, right? Yeah, because fall's coming and it's gonna get windy. Not that you really have to lift in order to do that, but it is probably a little helpful. Okay, there, the garage door is shut. We're in gear. Cameras are rolling. 65 degrees. Here we go. Oh yeah, feel that cool air. Look, another motorcycle. He's chill, he's chill. I don't know if that was a wave or I don't know what that was. That was the fastest wave I've ever seen. Whoop, whoop, look at it, whoop. Ooh, another bike. Wow, is it bike day or what? I don't know, I just felt like going fast, okay? There was a BMW next to me, he was creeping up on me. I was like, no. I was like, no. I was like, no. I don't know, we'll be able to see in this. Here's the thing. He got next to me at the light, and I'm like, and he's kind of hiding back out of my view, and I didn't turn my head to see if he was there. Couldn't see him out of my mirror. So I take off slow, I don't see him. I'm just chilling. Well, then I see him creeping up on me. I'm getting on it a little bit, but he's disappearing because he's coming forward. So I'm like, last time I just let somebody do that, it was one of those Corvettes. One of those Corvettes that we build here in Iowa that looks like an old Corvette. And the guy just wasted me because I wasn't paying attention. I mean, I caught up to him, but it was embarrassing. So I wasn't going to let that happen this time. And, well, of course, then they quit. Then it makes it me look like an idiot. So either way, I look like an idiot. Hi, Judy!
Hi. I wasn't going to say anything because I can't tell who it is.
It's me!
I know it. It was either you or Jason, right?
Oh, yeah, Jason's is red. And Jason's is a Harley. That's
it's right
Mark.
here.
That's Mark's.
Oh, Mark.
And Jared has the little tiny scooter.
You guys, we're going to have a parking lot just for the motorcycle.
Yeah!
Yeah.
All these kids going to college. Oh, Beretta! Oh, a Chevy Beretta GT. That's amazing. That's a BMW. Wow, a Beretta. We don't see that every day. Hello.
Hello.
What's that?
Slime.
Gross. That looks not good slime. That looks like messy, messy, messy slime.
No, Dad, I can.
That's so messy. I don't like it. Scary. Don't get it on my motorcycle.
There's your camera.
Is the light flashing?
Yeah.
Then it's on! But it doesn't need to be on. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye.
You okay? How'd that feel?
What?
Hitting your head on my helmet.
I didn't really get my head on the helmet.
Oh, okay. What are we doing? Not sure of this person's competency. It's probably like my son, 14-year-old, driving around the city. Oh yeah, wrong lane. That's her competency right there. She's on the wrong side of the road. She's literally on the wrong side of the road. She's gonna die. She is gonna die. Yep. Oh, I'm so glad nothing bad happened. That could have been bad. That could have been real bad. I just want to follow her around for about 10 minutes and just see what happens. I mean, just the small interaction that I had was not good. I'm assuming that's daily life. Oh my goodness. There's my wife's dream car. Not in red though. She wants like teal or something. Got a lady walking here. I shouldn't probably be in the crosswalk. Hello?
Hi, is this Doug?
Yeah.
I'm here. I have your packages here on the link drive, but I'm outside a door and the door is locked.
The northwest door and the southwest door are unlocked until 5 o'clock. It should be in the instructions.
Yeah, but it says northeast.
Yeah,
I'm
so
not sure that was a typo, but it said northeast.
website says northeast?
Yeah, on the instruction it said northeast.
Okay, I'll double check that. I think I'm coming to that door right now, so I can open it for you.
All right, okay, thank you.
Yep.
That's our go-to guy.
He just called me. All I like to go fast. I like to go fast. My nose itches, but I can't itch it. Here, get it, get it, get it, get it. Hurry. Hurry. Okay, got it. Let's let this van go by. Double check. Yep. I just heard a weird sound back there, but I think it was like concrete crumbles on the road that I was running over. It sounded weird. I don't like it. It's like, is everything okay? Everything looks okay. Everything feels okay. Oh, turtles! You love turtles!
Yeah.
We all love turtles. We're a turtle loving family. What are you guys doing? Where you been, huh?